G'day, welcome to workshop number 5. This is part of our mini series of learning to read plans for beginners. Like I said in the other workshops, make sure you've watched all the previous ones, which will help make more sense of what I'm talking about in this one. This workshop is going to be talking about calculating your earthworks volumes. So in the previous one, we learned whether we're going to be cutting or filling. Now we're going to actually work out the volume. Once you've worked out the cut or fill depth, you can calculate the volume of material. This helps estimate the truck movements, disposal costs, and imported fill requirements. So for example, we've got an area here that measures 10 meters by 10 meters, and the cut depth is 300 millimeters or 0.300 meters. So step 1, calculate the area, which is basically 10 meters by 10 meters equals 100 square meters. Step 2, calculate the volume. Volume equals the area multiplied by the depth. So what we're going to say is 100 square meters times 0.300 meters equals 30 cubic meters. And the result, approximately 30 cubic meters of material will come out. So if this was a fill situation, you need approximately 30 cubic meters of imported material. Just a quick tip, if the site isn't flat, divide it into smaller sections and then calculate each area separately. Then add all the volumes together. So if you need to fill in one spot or you need to cut in another, you can separate that and then add them together at the end. And another thing, when you're working out your volumes, don't forget to allow for aeration and compaction. When you're bringing material in, it can often compact and you'll have to bring more than what you thought. And when you're taking material out, as you're removing it from the ground and it's not in situ anymore, it can actually aerate and fluff up. So we have density and volume calculators available on Earthworks Hub. Go and check those out. Thanks for watching. This is the final workshop that is part of the mini series of reading plans for beginners. Even if you've been in earth moving for a long time, this stuff still comes in handy because a lot of times we just work on autopilot and we just do things, but we don't actually understand what it means and how it works. So this will help you. If you want to see other workshops, go and check out the Earthworks Hub Academy, which has all the stages of earth moving, anywhere from learning about the industry, becoming an operator, becoming a skilled operator, starting a business, growing your business, and then advanced information. Then you can go to the workshop section and you can see a whole bunch of other workshops that are just like this, very useful for anyone in the industry. See you in the next workshop, guys.